Hey YouTube, my name is Love here and I am back with another video. Today is gonna be a prank. I can smell a prank in the house today. Yes! So I'm gonna prank my boyfriend. Basically, I'm gonna act like someone sent me flowers and I'm gonna pretend it was him. So we're gonna see his reaction. I don't know how he's gonna react. Hopefully we get a good reaction out of him. Okay? I want to show you guys the flowers. These are the flowers, and I put a little note saying that I will always love you. You know, it smells good. Yeah, and they beautiful. See? Yeah. So he's not here. I went to Walmart to buy the flowers. So when he get back here, I'm gonna say thank you for the flowers, da, 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 and the prank is gonna get started. So let's wait and see. I'm recording from my phone and my camera. Yeah, let's get started. Oh, let me hide the camera. Hey, baby. What's up?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing? Thanks for the flowers. Feels so nice. Baby.
What's up?
Yeah. Thanks for the flowers.
Flowers?
They're cute. Don't you like them? Oh my god. I put lipstick on you.
I didn't buy you flowers?
What do you mean you didn't buy me flowers? Is that a joke?
What do you mean?
Slam zoom messy for you.
I didn't buy you flowers. That's what I said.
What do you mean you didn't buy me no flowers?
No te dejas hablar y luego.
Excuse me. What do you mean? They are cute. I was like, thank you, baby, finally buy me flowers.
That's not me.
What do you mean that's not you? Are you trying to prank me or something?
That's not me.
What do you mean that's not you? I know that's not you, but you bought me the flowers.
Are you just kidding?
No, I'm not. I'm not joking. I'm not.
I didn't buy you any flowers. So
They're cute.
who sent you the flowers?
You did.
Me?
Yes, you did.
If it was me, you should have seen my name somewhere.
I don't know. If you didn't tell them to put a note, they wouldn't they wouldn't say anything. Are you serious? You didn't send me any flowers?
You know what? I just.
What do you mean? Why are you walking around? I thought you finally bought me flowers.
You thought I finally bought you flowers?
Yes.
Nous avons acheté fleurs beauté du mobile.
Ok, wache fleur mauve pour moi. Et momie, c'est moi yo buy fleur mauve. Like, m'bote pas m'dou ça wache l'autre fleur pour moi.
It's not funny.
I know it's not funny, but you bought me these flowers.
C'est pas moi-même.
What do you mean c'est pas un même? C'est pas un même. And then baba mon address. I don't know.
You don't know?
No. Where are you going? We are talking.
I'll be back.
No, you're not going anywhere. We are talking.
You know what?
No, baby, like say something. I know you bought me the flowers.
So
to surprise me.
c'est pas moi-même. Ok, tu gardes monter by adresse moi livrer.
What do you mean, Tigalema?
Quand elle a bien dit c'est moi. Ok, si c'était moi-même mon tapon, I don't even wanna touch it. So it's.
What do you mean you don't even want to touch it?
No.
You sent it to me.
Honest. We'll give you these flowers.
I am honest with you. You sent me these flowers. Like, I thought you finally bought me flowers.
Oh wow. That's sad.
What do you mean that's sad?
Yes. I mean,
What is that supposed to mean?
so I bought you flowers, you didn't like it? Sorry, Papa.
Where you
I'll be back.
going? Why guys always like that when we're trying to have a conversation and they're trying
What do
to
you
leave?
mean? Like, is the same for you too?
No, I never done that
When
to
it-
you. I've never done that to you.
Wait. You know what? I'm done.
I mean, I
So
like
just
them.
Enjoy. Yeah, enjoy.
I like them
Yeah,
anyway. I love them. I love my flowers. Hopefully I got on your nerves. I got them, y'all. I got them.
What? Stop.
Baby, do not push me with the door.
Stop.
I'm gonna stop when you stop.
What?
I pranked you. Yes,
Yeah.
I did. I bought these flowers. What do you want to say now?
Nothing.
Say team love.
I'm just mad right now.
Say team love.
Team love.
I got him. So good. And make sure you guys subscribe and like to our channel for more videos so you don't miss anything. Since he's mad, he just needs some rice and chicken and he'll be fine.
First I was victim. No, my first I was victim from.
I still love you.
Whatever.
I'm gonna keep my flowers.
See you. What?
Bye YouTube, and thank you if you already subscribed, and make sure you ask your friend, your family, everybody, and like to our channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully.